All right, this is MineHack. What I wanted to do was use the coordinate encoder and get in-game coordinates from Minecraft, which is a video game, for the current player location in X, Y, Z coordinates, and push them into NuPIC and get, well, I wanted to just see what I could do at that point. What I ended up getting to, because I've never created a Minecraft mod before, I just ended up getting an anomaly score for the current location or the current state of the player where they're at. And I really would try to get it back into the game, but I ran into threading problems. So all I've got is a little Python script here that's just a socket. It's an open socket and creating a NuPIC model with the parameters for a coordinate encoder, which I'm going to start. And then I'm going to start the Minecraft game here. And we should see, let me get this up here. So we've got a connection. Hear the pretty music. So as soon as I jump into this world, you'll start to see, there we go. So I created this little path. And those hash marks on the right are how anomalous my current behavior is, my location behavior. So it's all anomalous initially. And I've got this track that I'm just going to run around a couple times. And I built this track out of bricks.
I like the thunder.
Yeah, I turned that on for fun. Alright, so everything is anomalous at this point. Because it doesn't, yeah, it just picked up some stairs. So I'm just still going to keep running, I haven't done the whole cycle yet, so this is just going to take a minute or two.
Is it tracking what you're moving?
Yeah, it's tracking X, Y, Z coordinates. So as I'm moving, I've got a socket connection open from Java, pushing to Python, which is listening. We go down to this cave. Yeah.
You could have made a shorter path. You could have made a shorter path.
I wanted an excuse to play a game. Now I'm repeating, and you can see the anomalies are going down and down. And the further I go, it's exciting, isn't it? The longer I go, the better my anomaly score gets. So that's kind of what I wanted to see. And I really did not tune this very much. This isn't the geospatial coordinate encoder, it's just a coordinate encoder. So I'm not getting velocity information because I'm using a constant radius for the coordinate encoder. Whereas I could have done something smarter and based on my past movements increase or decrease the radius for the coordinate encoder. So let me show you what happens when I do this. Whoa! There we go. So that's not making sense, obviously.
Yeah, so you see anomalies.
Yeah, so there's higher anomalies now, and worse. But if I get back on the track, and this is kind of interesting, if I get back on the track and go backwards, it gets lower, it goes back to low anomalies, even if I'm going backwards. I don't know if that was, like with a geospatial coordinate encoder, this usually gets really anomalous when you go along the same track but in reverse. Not quite as anomalous with
because you include speed in this.
Probably, I'm not really sure, but it should.
No, it still should be anomalous.
It is still pretty anomalous. Let me turn back around.
You're getting some, yeah.
And so if I turn around and go back the other way, it's a whole lot better, right? Because I've done this twice now.
Are you going the exact same path, or is there
some
variation?
Is just
there's a little bit of variation.
A little bit of variation, but it's just my human error. That's called.
So you're directing it.
Oh yeah, I'm moving around there. Yeah, I'm gonna break this stuff. Right. So I would call this a success. What I really wanted to do was get anomaly indications in the game by sending socket information from Python to Java, but which would show me, like a track. But
you've shown that it basically works.
Yeah, it basically is working. So this is just Cartesian coordinates and not geospatial coordinates, and it's working. So I was happy with that.